Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Inside,
Brand new banger.
inside.
banger? But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. So peeps, I know many of us have the most embarrassing times of our lives, right? So I'm gonna tell you now, 3 most embarrassing time of my life when I'm about to get the yeeks. If y'all know what that mean, my people them know what it mean. First one right now, the first story time I want to tell you this is a story time by the way. That one you call right place, wrong time, chicken pox edition. Why? So that time, guys, Christmas time, you know what I mean, my mother bake up our cake and everybody come over, including my girlfriend by the time, you know what I mean. When I start her name off with K, right? K, she know herself. Don't kill me, please, babe. So, set the mood and everybody belly full and in the afternoon and thing, and she come over to come get Christmas cake and she love the sorrel cause she not eat meat, you see it. So mood set and thing, you know man. And go on, you know, she come in the room and she a chill with me and you know what I mean? They a build a vibes where play some music and dance and tease up and set the mood and go on and beer things, you know. You know what I mean? Dance and touch up and kiss up turn changing a something else different, you see it? So boom bang bang, ready now. You know what I mean? Take off and chest lift up and thing, right? Take off my shirt now and ready for running on the glory land. You see it? But when I'm ready for running on the glory land, I go so boom and look on my left hand and my right hand. And I start see some bump. Oh! And I say, yo, I want to go on for them bump thing right so. And she pull me in and I wonder what happened. I say, no man. I see some water bump for me and I say, yo babe, check my back. She say, yeah, she see some water bump and all them things. So I jump off. And I say, yo, no! Hold off! No. She say, what? I say, yo, put that back your clothes. Go on now, I feel me sick. I think I might have chicken pox. And she say, no man, we are talking about. I say, yo. From my seat, I say, yo, this look like chicken pox. So I go so boom now, I say, hold off. Don't come link me the next day. Don't come link me. But the time I go doctor, she called me with her mother. And mother come in at the taxi everything and mama asks, what go on? She hears me no feel so well. So them drop me off at the doctor right now. When the taxi drop me off at the doctor with all of them in night, she the one give me a hug. And I say, yo, no mom, no. I feel sick and all them things there. Brother. Sorry, you want no say. The doctor say, yo, yeah dude, you got chicken pox. I said, John no star. Right place, wrong time, chicken pox. Aww. Next story right as I know. Because when you sink the clutch. My girl back then, her name start with D, so call her D. Come link me and thing and you see it. Dead and yeah, you know, me know where she come from. Straight up, you know what I mean? The girl like come link me them time there. You know what I mean? Plus we was supposed to go movies too. So I go so now boom. set the mood and now I mean fine piece of cat is still, you know, she's sexy and everything, you know. Me not tell no lie, you know. Anyway, there they set the mood, sink the clutch. You see it and go on and beat things, you know, brother. Me say one night and then me there sink clutch and me go so boom. And I say no man, you so. I go so yeah. Oh you so feel so. I go so boom. Oh! You're real.
How you do it, John
I
Cross?
go so. When I time them I go so. Boom. Boom. I go full in, you know. Me nah feel nothing na back, nothing na buck. Nothing na buck. Me I say no man, something wrong with me man. I go so boom and pull up. And I look at myself say yeah. No man, what go on? I'm going to bump on the left. Now I feel no wall of Jericho. No wall. Me now feel no wall of Jericho. You know that, you know what I mean? The wall them not too close in. I'm going to bump on the right again. Not too close in. And I say, yo, what go on? When I turn them around way out, me go way up. At the very end, I'm going to boom. And yeah, brother. The back, nothing else never did a buck. And now she tell me faster, harder faster. Harder faster, she had to pull me in. Me nah feel nothing. Me know I never me. Me can't tell you, say I never be. Me I tell you. Brother call me a sink clutch, you know.
No.
You know, oh, the walls of Jericho workout. So you could hear a little sound. You have to lock up the foot them together, brother. Clap the wall leg together. That's when I actually got a response. You know what I call this story? Ocean 11. Seriously. Me know I never me. Trust me. I never be. Because tell you this is that I be. Brother. No sir, that one there was deep. Get it? That one there was deep. That one yeah. Yo, me know the man them are gonna roast me and call me all kind of names after this, but whatever man, whatever. Yo, that one you call the T. Let's leave it right there. So, I think what, on a weekend. Yeah, on a weekend please. I must see that week, me never remember. I think it's on a Monday. Because so boom, I'm gonna leak Mackie sinus. My nerves did that bother me. You see it, and me did just tired and exhausted and overwhelmed. So the girl who me I link with back then, call her Sher, left it there, so right. Please don't kill me. They gonna kill me, but whatever man, we don't care. Anyway. Cause a boom now. There, when they up on Mackie and I link Mackie and I say, yo, Mackie, my frost out. Yo, I feel overwhelmed and all them things. The man say, yo, I have some green tea, you know. Cause I tell him say, yo, my nerves are bother me and them things them need for rest and so. Because the day before, she did come over, right? And we never, the next day after that, me never so rested, you know, because she never feels so good and me the kind of stay up all night. But anyway, my nerves are bother me, alright? And I couldn't sleep so well and all them things. I'm just tired and feel overwhelmed. But back into the story. Something they say, he might go give me some, Mackie sign say you have some green tea. One who must have Charmaline in it or Charmaine or something like. Yo, me can't remember. Alright? Yo, me I drink it and me I rest and me I feel better. And all them things, me I drink it and me I rest in a couch. And all them things there. I must have about 5 of that. 5 dosage of that. Oh! Me drink feed there. Herbal tea now with Charmaline in it. Whatever you want name. Strong tea now. For rest and all them things they are relaxed. So, boom now. I think me make the phone call or she called me or something like that. And she tell me say, yo, she there am my stylist. You know what I mean? She there am my stylist. We do my hair and hairdresser the nail tech there. So she do her nails and all them thing there. Right? And then me go initiate and say, yo, you want to link up? Alright, boom, we go down there and link her. She don't do her nails. We come back in at the ends, say zip on the ends. Oh, come back on the ends now. Don't know. Mood start or some Netflix and chill. And think movie I play and loud music. I play. Yo, me not tell the lie. Me did frost out. Me did tired. You know what I mean? I never did plan for even do nothing. Cause as me tell you, me under the 5 dosage I tea them. You know what I mean? They tea them strong. Boy, Maki, you're wicked. You never tell me say I saw them strong. But anyway, mood start second. Ray. You know what I mean? First, me never want to do nothing cause me never have no condom or nothing. Nothing like that. No protection. Force. After they're going to say, alright, cool. Alright, cool. John will start. Anyway, mood start now. Clutch a sink and, you know what I mean, slowly but surely, you know what I mean, I set the move in and I love it, the move there. Oh girl! Oh my god! Yeah. Oh girl! Yeah, but anyway, my girl say, yo, let me take control. And I say, okay. Okay, my girl, put me on my back and you know what I mean, I go over and thing and my girl say, oh, I'm gonna ride on top, you know what I mean? I'm gonna, you know what I mean? Me say, yo, vlogger. When my girl went on top, he went from this to this.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Dead. The herbal tea kicking coming out. Not a little like I did just start me did feel sleepy. My girl asked, yo, what going? My girl asked, what's wrong? Is it me? I say, yo, no, baby. I know you. Yo, my girl vex. The whole night my girl vex.
Why you do it, John Croft?
My girl, I'll come back next morning. I don't think this is gonna work. I said, what you mean by it not gonna work? A herbal tea me that drink. My girl say you pop down.
Oh!
Me I say a herbal tea me that drink. When you call me, yo, the funny thing is, you know, when she called me, you know, she asked me what me I drink, and me say me I drink this caramel tea, this herbal tea. Cause I tell her some nerves about them. I'm tell her the day before, in the morning part, before she leave for go work and come back home. During the day time they will talk in the day, tell her say, babes, today, me tired and frost. But anyway, peeps, me know say man, them gonna laugh off of it, but that never my fault. And the herbal tea. So guys, men, do not drink any herbal tea if you know your wife is gonna come and check you. You will pop down. You will go from this to this. So guys, there you have it. Story time. My 3 worst experiences when I was about to smash. But anyway, peeps, hope you enjoy the content and the story time. Respect for watching. I know people alone carding right now, but whatever, man. Me I share minds. I know you have the most embarrassing moments and things. This was 3 of mine in that situation here. Alright? I only had 3. Yes, 3 alone. And them did those far apart. Alright? So yeah. But anyway, peeps, share your most embarrassing experience in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. And just go on journey, dear boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.